Hey guys, Clint here, Casey Customs. So today I am pulling apart old vapes because they have the 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries in them, and they're the disposable ones. So I figured, hey, I might as well, they're rechargeable, right? So hey, I might as well use them. So yeah, taking these apart, pretty simple. I found out that you just rip the top off, take it off. You can see I already broke a piece out here. Take the screwdriver, pliers, and just cut the top open is what I do. The other thing is, when you guys are doing this, if you smell like anything other than the vape, if it smells like alcohol, or I think it's more like alcohol, but if you do smell alcohol, what's happened is you've broken into the lithium of the battery, because it has like a alcohol-y kind of weird smell to it. If that's the case, throw it out. It's garbage.
Of course, this one was tough.
There you go. Okay, there you go. Ripped it out. Vapes out. I'm just making a couple battery packs. I'm using my old vapes. So what I got one kind here. I'm gonna put all these in series, and then I'm gonna hook them up to this charger port. Tape all these together. Configuration, if you look here, this is it. So I got my 6 batteries, my 1 battery in my vape, and I got so my positives here comes over to my positive, my negatives go over to my positives on the other 3, and then the negatives come back over, so it doubles my voltage. So I have 3 in parallel, and then I have the 2 packs of 3 in series, which gives you should give me my 7 volts, because it's gonna hook up to this 1 battery. I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work, but we'll find out, because I have another battery in the charging system, which I think I might have to remove for it to work properly. Pretty sure I gotta cut my 1 battery off here. So basically now I've detached the battery in there. So now it's just
The coil needs to be cut too.
Batteries. For this to all work properly, I need to solder this red, this black, which of course my wires, I need a little short wire to go in there, but to get a piece of wire here to go from here to here, and then we're game on. So I like to solder my wires individually first. I find they stick so much better.
Pause for pomegranates.
Why? Can't it just attach nicely? Okay, there. Okay, so that should be 7 volts now. So these on should be 7.4 volts or so. 7.61 there. It's just my positive and negative. The battery's disconnected in the vape, and the vape itself is disconnected because the whole charger system's live. That way when you plug it in to charge it, it'll charge the system up properly. But so that's what I'm doing on the inside. Then these are wired 3 together in parallel, 2 packs of 3 in parallel, and then series to each other to make 7.6 volts. Okay, there, charging 69%, holds it. As you can see, it's still charging. 2 hours till it's charged, which this battery pack should last a full phone battery charge. And then also I have my C charger on here, so that if you want to charge anything with the C type, that's my old phone, so yeah, you can plug that in. You have both your plug-ins, and then these are just tied together and they're tied into the positive and negative here too. So yeah, it was putting voltage back into the coil, which I didn't disconnect. That's all it was.
How many times?
Most of those 3.7 batteries are rated for around 1,000 recharges.
Okay.
So you're good to go. Send it and save money. Yeah. I'd rather be spending my money on better stuff. Okay, now I gotta go find the electrical tape so I can tape this back up so I can whip it around and throw it at stuff.
Okay, so now I'm gonna tape this up so that nothing's touching, obviously, really well here. So this will get taped here, like. Okay, so that's that. And then yeah, you just sit here and plug her in. Like I said, if you're ripping these apart and you smell alcohol, or like you smell some kind of new smell and it's like an alcoholic kind of rubbing alcohol smell, it is because you broke in the lithium. If that happens, throw the battery out. It's useless garbage, it's toxic. So hey guys, another word of warning for first time charging these things is so when you plug it in for the first time to recharge it, just pay attention to it, because these lithium ions can go up. So yeah, they can be dangerous, and if it won't recharge the first time, then usually you got a problem. Check it. Mine has a little light that blinks and then stops blinking, which I can see through the side. I don't know what kind of vape you're using for charging, but yeah, make sure you use one that does have an indicator, and that way you know when it's done. You know it'll be a solid blinker, the light will turn off, right? And if it heats up or there's any kind of heat whatsoever, unplug it and throw it out. You can see here I'm charging with my old school, and right now they won't work together. I wish. So I unplug that. There's my C-type.
You will most likely need to use a fast charger block because it's 9V instead of 5 volts.
So there you have it. Should work great for charging everything, from even the camera that I'm playing this video on. If I need it in tight spots, or yeah, need an extra battery because batteries on camera suck, here we go. So it's something for you guys to consider. Yeah, just make your own battery banks. Simple as using even one of the vapes as the charger port, and it's just a lot of soldering. I can charge just about anything with it. Carry it around with me. I tape the heck out of it so you can throw it around, beat it up. Anyway, yeah. Save you $30–40 in the long run. Anyway, send and save money, guys. If you like my videos or got any tips, comment below. See you in the next one.